Hi, my name is Todd Kilgore. I'm with Piatt Sotheby's International Realty, and I want to welcome you to my new listing here on First Avenue, first size condominiums. Let me park my scooter and I'll take you inside. Welcome to 429 First Avenue. I love this fact that you have your own individual elevator. It comes directly to your floor, and it's actually hidden nicely behind this repurposed fire door. Why don't we show you around the rest of the condo? This building's got some great features to it. I would like to point out three. The exposed brick is just phenomenal. It's really got a lot of character to it. The massive joists that go across the ceiling, beautiful wood. It really shows a lot of character. And then the nice, smooth brushed concrete floors really add to this industrial chic look in this condominium. When I first entered this condominium, I thought this would be one of the best places in downtown to entertain family and friends. This massive island that you could have appetizers and drinks and have all your friends surround the island. And when you're ready for a prepared sit-down dinner, there's a great space for right over here. First Avenue is one of downtown's quieter streets. It is actually right off the Great Allegheny Passage, so it's easy to get to for your biking and for your running needs, and it's just right across the river from Station Square. So we saved the best amenity for last. This here is your own rooftop deck at 429 First Avenue. Got beautiful views of Mount Washington, got beautiful views down the Mon, gorgeous views of all of downtown Pittsburgh. It's just a wonderful place to end your day. Thank you for touring this property with me today. If you want to schedule a private showing, contact me, Todd Kilgore, at Piatt Sotheby's International Realty. Have a great day.